Hi guys and welcome back on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to bypass the Google account on Lenovo Tab 2 A10 30. So let's do it. So first thing, just hit here and on the keyboard just push it long on this, and now select Google Keyboard Settings. Now push it on these 3 points and hit Help and Feedback. Now here just hit Check Update your Android version here, and now push it long on Updates Word. Okay, and now as you can see we have here Web Search option. Just push it on this. Here clean the word and type Chrome. Okay, here is Chrome, just push it on Chrome. And now you have access to Google Chrome. Hit Accept and Continue and hit No Thanks. And on the Google Chrome just type Quick Shortcut Maker 2.4.0 and hit search, and now go to change to English. Okay, and now go to this link where you see apcmirror.com. I hope you see it. Okay, push it on this. Now scroll down and hit Download APC. Now you're downloading, it's starting, wait a few seconds. And now hit here OK. And now downloading. Okay, now it's over, go back. And again back, okay, again, okay, and here just delete again updates and type downloads. Okay, here is downloads. I hope you see it. And here is my application that I downloaded before. Just hit on this. Install Blockade, no problem, hit Settings, and now scroll down and enable unknown sources. Hit OK. Now go back and hit again on the application, hit Install, wait a few seconds, hit Accept. And now application is installed, just hit Open. And here on the search bar just type Google Account Manager. Here is Google Account Manager, hit Done. And now you must select where you see type email and password. Hit this. Okay, and now hit Try. Okay, here you must hit these 3 points. Okay, and hit browser sign in, hit OK. And now you must enter your own Google account. If you don't have one, just create. I will enter my Google account. Now signing in, wait a few seconds. And now we are back in the try window, and all you must do is to restart your tab. Just hit the power button and now hit reboot, hit OK, and wait until your tab will restart. Now I'm back, just select your home language and hit the yellow arrow. Now hit skip. Wait a few seconds. And now your account has been added. Just hit next. Hit skip. Skip anyway. Hit more and next. And now you have access to your menu. Now just go to all application, hit settings and scroll down. Let's see about tab. Okay, and here is my Android version 5.1.1 and Android security patch level. Okay, and here is my model number. Now go back and go to backup and reset and hit factory data reset, and now hit erase everything and wait until your tab will restart. And now I'm back again. Just select your home language and hit the yellow arrow, hit skip, and all you must do is the initial setup. No need to connect to your Wi-Fi network, just hit skip and next, next, next. And now the setup is complete. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you and have a nice day.